Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Patient. Welcome to the family. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I get my flawless base makeup. Before we go ahead, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. That way you are informed each time I upload a new video. I'm sorry if I'm not making sense in this video. I was so tired. As you can see, my eyes were so red. I was filming this video around 2 o'clock in the morning. So forgive me if I'm not making sense. Before I apply any product to my face, I always go in and put Vaseline on my lips. My lips get dry for some reason. So my next step is to go ahead and prime my skin. I'm going to be using Estee Lauder primer, and then I apply it evenly onto my skin. Guys, you need to prime your skin, especially if you have a dry skin and oily skin. It also helps for smooth application, and your foundation will last longer. Once the primer is set into the skin, the next thing I do is I apply concealer corrector. Because I have dark spots, so I'm going to apply LA Girl Pro Concealer Corrector. So when it comes to lining your eyebrows, try not to press so hard on the pencil so it looks more natural. I'm using Estee Lauder Brow Pencil in shade 05. I'm going to be lining my eyebrows using MAC concealer in shade NW40. To line your eyebrows, use a concealer that is 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. Next, I'm going to be using Estee Lauder foundation in shade 5W2. I love this foundation. I'm going to link all the products I'm using in the description box. This is the foundation done. Can you see how beautiful the foundation is? I love the finished look. Now I'm gonna conceal under my eyes. I'm using MAC in shade NW40. This is where the work starts. You need to blend. I'm telling you. You need to blend as if there's no tomorrow. You need to blend until you can't feel your hand. We don't want to be seeing 5 o'clock shadow on your face. You don't want to be looking like a man. So you need to blend it out. Now I'm going to be using my Estee Lauder setting powder in shade 5W2 to set my under eyes. I'm going to apply Sacha Buttercup to bake under my eyes. Now I'm going to be contouring my face. I'm using Black Hope. Whenever I use anything liquid or cream base, I always go ahead and set it. So I'm going to be using my Sleek Contour Kit in shade Dark. Stupid fly. Tell me why anytime I'm filming, there's always fly. Now I'm going to do my undercut because I want the contour to pop. So I'm going to set the under cheek contour. So I'm going to set all the highlighted points, all the areas where light is going to hit on our face. Make sure to press the powder in. Dust all the excess off. Using a smaller brush to contour my nose. Now I'm going to be using my Estee Lauder double wear eyeliner. I always apply my mascara before I put on my eyelash. Put a comment below how you guys do your eyelash. Do you usually put on the eyelash first, then mascara, or is it the other way around? Using my Estee Lauder eyeliner in shade 05. This is going to go into my waterline. I'm not going to be doing eyeshadow today, so I'm going to be moving on doing my eyelash. This is the part I hate the most, waiting for the glue to get tacky. Once your lash is dry slightly, apply it to your lash line. Now moving on to my lips. I'm using my NYX lip liner in shade 4. I'm going in with NYX. In the center, I'm going to use my Revlon lip gloss. Now we need to add color back to the face. We're going to be using Estee Lauder Sculpturing Blush. Now I'm going to go ahead apply some highlighter. We're going to be using Estee Lauder Bronzer Goddess in shade 2. The final step is to set the face so that the makeup can stay in place and last all day. So I'm going to be using my Estee Lauder setting spray. This is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.